The versatility that you have with the two platforms is pretty amazing. The Zulus, the Yankees, they will live in dirt, they will live in the dust, they will live in the sand, they live on a boat, on a ship, in the saltwater environment. So they live in all these environments and they continually provide great operational effectiveness, great operational reliability. So the aircraft that you see on the flight line today are different than the ones that I tested. They're better. They've got little nuances and improvements that you just can't find until you actually put it through its operational paces. This aircraft brings something much more to the table that's really useful.
The important part about the AH-1Z and the UH-1Y is they're 85% common. The Viper and the Venom, they fly together and we fight them together. And that gives a tremendous amount of capability, one, to the Marine on the ground and also to the squadron to be able to maintain them in an efficient manner. The supply footprint is very small, and the pilots can switch back and forth and co-pilot the other aircraft. And it's all the same mission systems inside the aircraft. It's a great platform, base platform that really spread amongst a lot of different missions.
We know how to build the aircraft. We've delivered more than 107 on time to the U.S. Marine Corps and to Bahrain. We know how to accomplish that task. So we understand the budget constraints and we understand the requirement for aviation. When we look across the spectrum of what the Polish military is seeking to do, so they want to modernize their aviation capability. They have a limited budget. We can work inside that budget and provide them a system and a system of systems. So all H-1Zs, combination of H-1Zs and UH-1Ys, and we can fit inside that budget and work with it. Because again, the Marine Corps has done that